Would you love to have a fish live in your house with you? No, not in your room, not on your bed. When we keep fish in the home, we put them in an aquarium, which is a man-made home for fish. It contains water and other things to help them live well. But we are not talking about aquarium today. I want to teach you how to find missing number in subtraction. There's an aquarium here with how many fish? How many fish can you see in this aquarium? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish in the aquarium. Now, 7 fish minus how many fish? How many fish? How many do we need to take away to give us 3 fish? How many fish do we take away from 7 to get 3? We want 3 fish. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. What we want is, oh, that's not clear on it. What we want is just 3 fish. To circle it, I want just 3. How many do I need to take away from this aquarium to have 3 left? I'll take away 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fish. 7 minus 4 fish equals 3. That is how to find missing number in subtraction. This is the part where we count ourselves with our counting sheet. I hope you have your counting sheet with you separately. 8 minus what equals 4. How many do we need to take away from 8 to give us 4? What you need to do first is to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do you want left? 4. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and circle it. That's what we want left. 4. How many do we need to take away to have these 4 left? We will take away 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. I hope you understand that. Now let's try the second one. 7 minus what equals 2. We count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We want 2 left, so we count 2, 1, 2, and circle it, separate it. How many do we have to take away to have 2 left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll take away 5 balls, circles, from 7 to have 2 left. So 7 minus 5 equals 2.